In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make lo-fi song with Suno AI. Lofi music shines when it feels simple, warm, slightly imperfect, and relaxed, so we'll build those qualities into every choice you make. First, open Suno Create, log in and click Create. Select Sample Mode. This mode gives you tighter control over texture and pacing, which is perfect for dialing in that laid-back, cozy feel lo-fi is known for. Next, remove vocals. Most lo-fi tracks are instrumental, and this one should be too. In the lyrics box, type instrumental only, no vocals, or leave it completely empty for even cleaner results. Also make sure the instrumental option is enabled before you generate. This single step prevents the most common issue, unwanted singing that distracts from the vibe. Now set the style. Pick a direction like classic chill lo-fi, study or focus lofi, rainy lofi, or sleep lo-fi. Keep your prompt short and descriptive, aiming for warmth and calm. Words like warm, mellow, dusty, and relaxed work well. Avoid overly polished terms that pull the sound away from lo-fi, such as orchestral, cinematic, EDM, or aggressive. The goal is mood, not maximal detail. When you're ready, click Create. Suno will generate two versions with slightly different beat styles. Listen for the one with softer drums, more atmosphere, and less complexity. Lofi breathes when the percussion is gentle and the instrumentation leaves space. If a version feels busy or punchy, skip it in favor of the more subdued take. A few tips will make a big difference. Keep it simple. Too many instruments or layers will dilute the character. Embrace subtle imperfection to add charm. Think vinyl crackle, tape hiss, and soft distortion or saturation. You can mention these textures in your prompt to nudge the engine in the right direction. If neither output hits the mark, generate more versions and keep choosing the softer, warmer result rather than the cleanest or loudest one. Watch out for common mistakes. If you hear vocals, fix it by adding instrumental only. If the beat is too strong, use words like soft, minimal, and relaxed. If it doesn't feel like lo-fi, guide it with phrases such as vinyl crackle, warm texture, and mellow beat. Once you've picked your favorite take, you've got a cozy instrumental ready to support study, focus, or downtime. Lo-fi works beautifully under YouTube study live streams, TikTok aesthetic edits, gaming sessions, productivity videos, podcasts, and chill playlists. Keep experimenting within this simple framework, and you'll get consistently warm, unhurried tracks with that signature Lofi soul.